I'm going to show you exactly what 99% of your customers are doing right now when they need your solution. They're not calling you, they're not filling out your contact form, they're not even always going to Google first. They're opening an AI assistant and asking it for the best answer in a few seconds. Here's the exact prompt I'm running inside Comet right now. Research the latest questions and discussions on Reddit about Perplexity AI. Focus on active threads from the last 30 days, then draft a concise email in Outlook to my marketing manager. This email should summarize the top 5 questions people are asking, highlight the most useful answers and patterns, recommend 3 content ideas based on those insights, and make sure you keep the email clear, skimmable, and ready to send. As you can see, it's sending the email, simultaneously researching Perplexity within Reddit forums, and it's adding all of that information together into one concise content brief. That's what this workflow is doing for me automatically. It's using the same places your customers trust, Reddit, communities, real discussions, to understand their questions, summarize the patterns, and then draft content that's ready to send or publish.